We're live on Greyhound 2208 for this 2018 Topps Allen and Ginter Baseball 1 8-count box break, live number 48. If you haven't already, please help us out and subscribe on YouTube under Greyhound 2208. eBay ID silverfieldstoo, JJ Toys, Clothing, Gifts, and Collectibles. What time is it, North Carolina? Well, according to Google, it is 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern on Saturday, December 1st. As promised and as scheduled. We've got random.org set up just in case we need it. Don't think we will, but just in case. At 32 spots. And our spreadsheet with everybody's team is set up here, with the last two spots being cryptocurrency and non-MLB team. Here is our box, and as listed on eBay, serial number is SBN 3194019. That's the one that was listed for sale on eBay. Alright, good luck. Wish everybody the best. Yeah, let's get to opening. Alright, empty box. Good luck, everybody. All right, Jackson for the Yankees. Frazier, Yankees. Stanton, Yankees. 3 Yankees in a row. Epstein, I think that is he's the president of baseball operations. So being, let's see, being that it's truly baseball and not a team, we will random that amongst everybody. So that'll be randomed at the end for Epstein. So lay that over there. Alright, baseball superstitions. Arizona Diamondbacks. That's pretty cool. That's trying to see if it's got, it says postseason beards. Wow, I've never had one of these either. It doesn't actually have the player on it. Your Gunners made. I'm just reading through here to see what this says. It's just believing a shave could jinx a title run. So actually, it doesn't actually have a team. It just says baseball superstitions. So again, being that it's not team specific, but it is baseball, so we will random that as well. All right. And Torres, Yankees. Nice rookie there. Wow, that was like a Yankee pack there. That was a really good pack. Alright. And those other ones, they're not non-MLB, so that's why, because they are MLB. That's why we'll random those. Cryptocurrency. Look at that. Cryptocurrency. What a box so far. This is Digital Asset 83. Nice. There's your hit for the cryptocurrency. I believe that was Mr. Stacy. Bueller for the Dodgers, rookie card. Padres, Margot. Dickerson for the Pirates. Indigenous Heroes. So that goes to non-MLB. And Bay of Angels, World's Greatest Beaches, non-MLB. And that Indigenous Hero is Mangus Colorados. Alright, pack 3. Wow, what a box so far. Alright. Zunino for the Mariners. Castillo, Cincinnati. Goldschmidt, Arizona. Hosmer, San Diego. Garcia for the Sox. And Sandberg for the Cubs. That's the fantasy gold mine. Alonso for the Cleveland Indians. Sims for Braves. Carpenter, Cardinals. Merrifield for KC. Sepak Takra, Exotic Sports, goes to non-MLB. And Magnificent Moons, Enceladus, goes to non-MLB. Biz Markie, non-MLB, is a hip-hop artist. Honus Wagner, Pittsburgh, I believe. Yep, Pittsburgh Pirates. Want to make sure. Sal for the Red Sox. Rogowski, non-MLB. He's a comedian and quiz show host. McCann for the Astros. And Trout for the Angels. That's World Talent, United States. Taylor for LA. Stevens, rookie card for Cincinnati. Darvish for the Cubs. Singh for the Cubs, rookie card. Bauer for the Indians. Vintage glove, baseball equipment. So that is, I need to double check our rules and make sure. But I think that'll be random. We'll make sure. It may just be non-MLB gets anything that's not designated MLB. As far as designated with the team. Rosario for the Twins. Pujols for the Angels. Bogarts for Boston. Lou Gehrig for the Yankees. It's a Yankee box. Posey, San Francisco. And Mariano Rivera for the Yankees. Fantasy gold mine. Alright, last pack. Fowler for the Cardinals. Iglesias for Cincinnati. Scherzer for Washington. Haniger for the Mariners. Ichiro for the Mariners. And Cozumel, world's greatest beaches, non-MLB. Alright, let me pull up the auction here. And let's see what we've got. We're going to find out what our auction rules are here. Alright, so you got 30 MLB teams, 1 cryptocurrency slot, and 1 non-MLB team slot. Okay, yep. Alright, so according to the rules here, as you can see, the non-MLB team slot. So these are not MLB team because they're not designated with the verbiage. So they will go to non-MLB team. All right. That concludes our break. We appreciate everybody's support. Please check out our future breaks. And thanks again. Till next time. Bye.